Alright, good day mga KX Grinders. Update tayo ngayon, no? So today is an update for November 27, Wednesday. Okay, so unahin po muna natin yung nakuha natin na AXS from last week's grinding natin, no? So ito po, medyo malaki-laki nakuha natin na 0.79 for AXS. Yan po yung whole week na premyo po natin sa paglalaro ng Axie, no, sa bounties. Okay, and then mabalik po tayo dito sa ating wallet. So currently AXS, ang price niya ngayon ay medyo tumaas ng 6.07%. So currently price po ng AXS ngayon is $7.74. And by the way, kung nakikita po pala ninyo na meron tayong $197.12. So ito po yung combination ng half ng AXS, kinonvert muna natin sa USDC, and half ng nakastake na Ronin, kinonvert din natin sa USDC. So if by any chance na bumaba yung price, then we will buy. So ngayon po, yung pong nakastake sa atin, meron pa rin po nakastake, pero purely profit na siya, no? So yun yung magandang balita dun. Now moving forward to our play to rise. Okay, daily bounties, standard board. Nakuha na natin itong 10 points ng Atia. And also classic, win one battle 35 points, and win one battle origins 35 points. So currently this week meron na tayong 240 points, and may estimated earning na 0.16 AXS. And then so far wala pa rin po tayong access sa Premier. As you can see, kandado. Okay, and yun po, and as of the moment, so we still need more ticket para ma-open po to, no? So far wala pa po tayo, no? Kulang pa rin. So itong ticket na to, so kulang pa tayo ng around 280 points para makakuha ng ticket. And moving forward to our AXS staking. Okay, so nakuha na po since Wednesday, nakuha na natin yung ating claimable rewards from last week, and then ini-stake din po natin yung natira. So currently meron tayong 11.04001 AXS, and nagkakahalaga siyang $85.19. Okay, so kung nakikita po ninyo, ayan, ito po yung yung price ng nakuha natin ng 0.79 AXS. And ito siya, ito yung claimable rewards natin, 0.106133 AXS. At ito naman po yung nakuha natin last week na 0.794036 AXS. So kinuha natin yung claimable rewards, in-add natin sa nakuha nating AXS from last week, and in-stake din natin. So kaya meron tayong 11 AXS. So yun lang yung update natin for So yun lang yung update natin for today. So tomorrow ulit. Comment na lang.